Welcome to Summarize Science. Today, we're diving deep into one of Earth's last unexplored frontiers, the ocean, and how researchers are teaching AI to navigate it. This new research paper introduces OCEANGYM, which is essentially a hyper-realistic virtual ocean created specifically to train and test underwater AI agents. Think of it as a sophisticated flight simulator, but for autonomous underwater drones. Why is this necessary? Because the deep ocean is an incredibly hostile environment for robots. Visibility is often near zero, ocean currents are unpredictable, and typical cameras are almost useless. So, these AI agents have to learn to see using other senses, like sonar, and make complex decisions based on limited, noisy information. In OCEANGYM, the AI is given missions through simple text commands, like search for a sunken ship or locate the oil drums. It then has to explore this vast 3D environment, interpret its sensor data, and complete the objective. So, the big question is, how well did the current state-of-the-art AI perform? Well, the results are pretty humbling. In shallow, well-lit water, the best AI model only achieved an average score of about 18%, while human experts scored a perfect 100%. When they moved the tests to a deep water environment with low light, the AI's performance plummeted even further, dropping to as low as 6.4% on average for some models. Even on the more basic task of just identifying objects, the AI's accuracy was far below human level, especially in the dark. So, what went wrong for the AI? The paper shows that the agents often made critical perception errors, getting confused by objects that were partially hidden or in cluttered scenes. Another major issue was memory forgetting, where the AI would literally forget where it had already explored or what it had already seen, leading it to waste time or get lost. It struggled to find things like this small research robot or even large shipwrecks that humans could spot more easily. The researchers also found that while humans can effectively use sonar data to see in the dark, the AI struggled to make sense of it. So, let's quickly recap the main points. Researchers have built OCEANGYM, a groundbreaking new simulation for testing underwater AI. The tests show that current AI models are still far behind human performance in navigating and understanding the challenging underwater world. Key failures include misinterpreting sensor data, poor navigation in low light, and an inability to effectively use memory. But this isn't a story of failure, it's a story of a crucial first step. What does this mean for the future? OCEANGYM provides the perfect playground for scientists to rapidly develop and improve these AI systems without expensive and risky real-world tests. Better underwater AI could unlock new possibilities in deep-sea exploration, monitoring climate change effects on our oceans, managing offshore infrastructure, and even performing dangerous subsea rescue operations. Thanks to this work, the goal of having truly autonomous robots exploring the deepest, darkest parts of our planet is one step closer to reality.